Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Both help my channel a bunch, and thank you in advance for that because I really appreciate it. So today's quick and easy day because it's Wednesday. Tuesday is card day, Wednesday's quick and easy, and then Sunday is a little bit more of an involved treat box, bag, something like that. And so today we are creating this little box. I love these for like table settings or for stocking stuffers. They're just really cute. You can put some Hershey miniatures in here. Even the little miniature candy bars will fit in these. I've even made these smaller. They're really cute. And it's been a long time since I've made one, so I thought I would make this one is 2 1/4 inches, and then it's 3 1/2 inches tall, but the box part's only 2 inches. So, but you can fit the taller candy bars like the miniatures, like I said, in here because there is space in the side for them. All right, so this is really easy, so let's get started with it. So what you're gonna need for this, I'm using real red, and it's 8 by 6 1/4. Then to mat it, you are using 2 pieces that are 3 1/4 by 2. You do need some basic white to stamp and punch out your Christmas tree. And then the sentiment is 2 inches by 3/8 inches. I'm going to probably end up cutting this down a little bit because it's a little bit bigger than 3/8 inches. All right, I am also using the red real sheer ribbon. I love this ribbon. You don't even have to put a ribbon on this one and make it even quicker, but it's so cute on there. And the stamp set I'm using is Perfectly Plaid. This is in our annual catalogs because this has been around for maybe 2 years. I'm not sure if it came out last year or the year before, but it's one of my favorite. I love the trees in here, and it has a tree punch. These are sold separately now. When they first come out, they were sold as a bundle, but now they are sold separately. So it's the tree punch and the Perfectly Plaid, and it cuts out all 4 of those trees. So I'm using the Ho 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 as well on this one. And I love real red and shaded spruce, so I'm using shaded spruce ink for this one. All right, so let's go ahead and create this box. First thing that we're gonna do is score it. We are gonna score on the 8-inch side at 3 1/2 and 4 1/2. And you're going to turn it, and you are going to score it at 2 and 4 1/4. All right, I'm going to show you an easy way to do this because you can score this, but it's much easier to do it this way. So you're going to turn it to the 8-inch side towards you. Let's go ahead and cut down here, and this will be easier for me to show you. Just cut down that side, and this is where our score mark is. You're going to cut a 1/2 inch up there. So you're creating your own little flap here. Instead of scoring it, we're just going to do this way. You're going to do the same thing on this side. And then you are going to cut about a 1/2 inch. These don't have to be perfect. Try to get them pretty close, and then we're going to cut in here. So now you've just created your own little flaps here for your glue. You're going to do the same on this one. Cut down to the first score mark. You're going to cut across. We'll cut in on these. And then these are again the glue tabs. Down here. This is your score mark. So you're going to cut up here. And we're going to cut in. I hope that makes sense. It's a lot easier than trying to score. I'll put the score marks on there if you want rather score it and cut, but I think it's so much easier to do it this way. All right, now we are going to sharpen these score marks. I don't want to confuse you, but I just think this is the easiest way to do it. But I know some people, you know, like the score marks as well. So I'll just, when I do my inspiration sheet, by the way, I always put an inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. You can download it with the measurements on it. So we are going to put glue on those glue tabs. Bring this up. Make sure you line them up really good so your sides are even. And then we're going to add the glue on these. Sometimes I go ahead and add the glue at the same time because it's easier to pull them all up at the same time. You can see the other one just pulled away. So I'm going to grab these. Just make sure you line them up if you're going to do both at the same time. I think we're good here. Just remember when you're using wet glue, you do need to give it time to get that sticky feeling before you let go, because if you don't, it's going to pull apart like that one just did on me. Alright, so there is our basic box. Very, very easy here. Alright, now I'm going to get the matting. We're going to mat it. And this is, again, Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper. I've told you this over and over, it's one of my favorite. I think it might be my favorite, actually. I use it a ton. I've gone through a bunch of it. This is a returning favorite. So, you know, it was very popular, and I think it's pretty popular this time, too. And it's called Heartwarming Hugs. Alright, I'm not going to round the corners. If you like the corners rounded, you can round them. I'm not going to round them. I am going to grab my Velcro dots. And this is how I'm closing this box. A little bit different than I normally do. I am going to put a Velcro dot in the middle here. And these little ones, you have to order online now. I've talked about this before. I used to get them easily at Walmart. They used to have them all the time. But I can never find them hardly at all. I check almost every time I'm in that store. And every once in a while I'll catch them, but not always. Another thing, here you have an option, because I know some people like to kind of push these out. You can push them out and it gives it a little bit of a different look. Or you can just kind of push them in a little. I usually just push them in a hair just to give it, so it looks even on the sides and it's not hanging over. So that Velcro dot holds it really well. Alright, let's stamp. So I'm going to use, I love this plaid tree, and I've used it a ton. I love it so much. So I'm going to use this plaid tree again, and this is Shaded Spruce. And then while we have this open, I'm going to stamp this with the Ho Ho Ho. And like I said, I'll probably cut it a little bit narrower because I did cut it a little bit big. Alright. So I'm going to cut it closer to the words here. I just like it a little bit closer and narrower. Just try to get it straight. Sometimes I'm terrible at getting these straight. Alright, I think we're good like that. Alright, now we're going to punch the tree with our tree punch here. This is also in our annual catalog. You can search it on the website, on my shop as Tree Punch. Alright, now we are going to, because I'm pretty sure, if it's not called a Tree Punch, I'll put it in the hair, but I'm pretty sure it is. Just going to put that in the front. And I'm just gluing it flat, and then we're going to do the ho, ho, ho. May have cut it a little bit short. Just across the tree there. Then I'm just going to tie a little bow. These go really quick, y'all. And they're really cute. I like using them as stocking stuffers and table place setting. You can put them on. But you can also give them to your co-workers, because if it's just a small amount of treats, but so good. And we're going to use a glue dot to hold this on. I'm just putting it right where the Velcro dot is. And that's it. Super quick and easy, right? Isn't that cute though? Just a little quick and easy treat holder. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. And this is my November hostess code. I hope you have a great day, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.